Hi everyone, this is Kang and I'm with Tips Geeks. We just got a package from Synology. Yeah, this is from Synology, right? Yeah. Yeah, vlog pala to. Nagpa-vlog pala tayo. Package all the way from Taiwan. Okay, so I'm going to open this now. Okay, let's remove this first. This is how you open a box without a cutter, or you just need a screwdriver. Ugh, almost done. Okay. Wait, this is the first time I'll be unboxing something like this. Wait. NAS? NAS? What's the meaning of NAS? The meaning of NAS is, wait, this box from Synology, this station. It looks so nice, look! So this is a NAS. What is NAS? NAS. Okay, so this is a NAS. Ano? Again? Network attached storage. The DS918 plus, DS918, 918, DS918 plus NAS. 4 bay. This is a 4 bay. What we have there is like 1 bay, right? Yeah, this is a 4 bay NAS. And I'm about to unbox this right now. This feels so weird. This is the first time I'll be unboxing a NAS. We have the power cord here. Okay, what else is included here? We have the quick installation guide. This is the brick, power brick. What is this? LAN ports. What do you call this? RJ100. What is this? They call this RJ45 and I call it LAN cable. What is this? This looks like a key. It looks like a key. Ah, we need the key and more screws here. Screws. Aside from this, we have the actual thing. There you go. The big reveal. Huh? Okay. This is way bigger than the ones upstairs. Ta-da! Wait, is this the right side? Oh yeah! It looks so cool! Wow! How do we test it? Oh, wait! We have here the Seagate IronWolf. This is like 16 terabyte together. Yeah, ATV and ATV. Thank you so much, Seagate, for sending this. Yeah, so we're gonna test this out here in the Synology NAS soon on the next video. Yeah, well, that's my unboxing. Oh wait, am I going to open this? Oh, I want to open it. I'll try to open it and show you what the inside of this looks like. So I removed 2 screws already. And is there like more screws here? No, there's not. Oh no! No! I saw something! Wait, where's my keys? There! You don't need to open it! Yeah, wait, I'm gonna put this back. Okay, I'll put it back later. You don't need to open this. You don't need this screwdriver. You just need these keys. How do you use it? I'm shaking! Wait! I think I lock it. Whoa! There! Ta-da! Wow! Wow! Oh, jeez! Okay, I think I'm gonna open this now. No! I wanna show them the difference of the NAS there next time on my next video. Okay, so I'm gonna open just one IronWolf. Okay, so we're going to open this 8TB IronWolf from Seagate. Okay, so we need to screw it on. Thank you so much again, Seagate, for this IronWolf. I need 4 screws, right? Okay. I'm screwing in my IronWolf here. And this, what do you call this? Dock? HDD tray. Right? Okay, what I'm doing right now is I'm screwing this HDD. Still screwing more screw and screw. Thank you so much, guys, for the support and the trust you have given Kang Dupet and Tips Geeks. Now going to screw the last screw. Okay, so I'm done screwing everything. How the hell do I put it back in? Oh, there. This easy. It feels so good hearing that click. I'm gonna put the other drive. Let's buy more drives. Let's get more drives. Seagate. Shout out to Seagate. Please send more drives for us. We need like 2 more. 2 more, Seagate. 2 more. I like this part. Okay. I'm gonna teach you more about stuff like RAIDs and NAS and yeah. The last drive in. Ah, gonna lock it too. Is this RGB? Let's test it if it's gonna work. The power cable. Plug it in. Oh, it's heavier now! Of course, there's like 2 drives here inside. Wait. There. Oh, it's working! The fan is working! Yeah, the fan is working. Sorry guys, it's not RGB. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna test it on the next video. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing with Synology and Seagate. And that's it for today. Bye!